everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, we are talking about your favorite soapy Uzalo. The competition, guys, is very high on our screens, and Uzalo producers are trying their best to be on top again. It's season 7 and Uzalo promised us a lot of changes, including the newbies and the returns of the characters such as Mxolisi, GC, Mastermind, and Tobile. Mbalima Pumulo is one of the characters that will be joining Uzalo to spice things up. According to insiders, she will be portraying a character of Wenzi Dentlapo. Her role is one of no-nonsense driven woman whose main priority is to succeed in her career. Mbali will portray a character of Pelani's mother, a woman who will work very hard to separate Nonka and her son. She believes Pelani deserves better than an uneducated, divorced young woman. All these changes, guys, came after a lot of negative feedback from fans about their poor performance and a boring storyline. So bringing in all the new actors is part of their plan to be the best the game changer again. Their fans on social media showed a lot of excitement after learning that Mastermind, Mxolisi, and GC are coming back. They even promised to watch Uzalo again after a long time. We are really hoping for the best. Please comment below and share your opinion about their changes. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.